Alright, today's November 16th, 2013. Day 3 here, Waikiki Beach.
You don't do that. It did not work.
And we're on Waikiki Beach, beautiful day. You can see, there's tons of people at 10 a.m. There's the Royal Hawaiian. We're staying there at the Sheraton, Waikiki. Helicopter, and the beach. You see, perfect day, Diamond Head. That's a 360-degree view. That's our hotels. And here's Maddie. Maddie, look. Alright, Maddie's building a sand castle. And look at her. She is in a bad mood. She doesn't want to be distracted from her task.
She's concentrating.
Concentrating. Maddie, look. Nope, she won't look. Maddie, when you're older and you're watching this, you are a little biatch.
Really? You have to say that?
Oh, I'm just kidding, Maddie. You're not. You're
I
perfect.
said brat.
You're a brat.
Yeah.
Well, she's not a brat. She's
Mommy. Okay, we turn,
She's
alright?
a pain when she's in a bad mood, huh, Maddie?
Okay. Here, you pat, 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 and then you pull up like this, Maddie. You pull up. Here, pull up. Yeah, see?
And then little sister number 2, whatever your name will be,
In here.
you're in here. See? You'll be coming out. You'll be coming to Hawaii eventually. Probably not as many times Maddie's 3 trips already in 2.5 years. Since we'll be broke. And we can't afford 2 tickets, extra tickets, but we'll see. We'll do our best. Maddie! And then we'll go back in the pool inside over there. And one last view of everybody on Waikiki Beach, and then the waves. Alright, bye.